Hi guys, it's Lizzie and Rancho Ted back, and we wanted to answer a couple extra questions about private money loans. And this is the most common question I get when I have a client that needs a private money loan. They say to me, what's the interest rate? What do I have to pay for this loan?
Sure, yeah. Well, it used to be pretty expensive back in the day. It was like 12 to 14%. But with rates falling and a lot of money available, it's gone as low as 8%. And for that pricing, it has to be a pretty good loan to value. So an example would be if you had $1 million house and a person wanted $400,000, it's pretty easy to get an 8% loan, maybe even $500,000. Rates start to adjust a little bit as you get higher in loan to value and a little bit higher risk, so investors want a little bit higher return. So let's say you're putting down 30% of 35, which would be like 700,000 or 650. The rate's probably about 9%, which is still good.
Really good.
And how that works, it's not principal and interest, you just pay interest only. So it helps you pay the loan amount, because with the principal on top of that, man, it would make it difficult for the payment. Terms of the loan depends on the person getting the loan, but for the most part we do about 2 years. And no prepay, but we look for at least a minimum of 3 months interest. An investor doesn't really want to put it out for 2 weeks and get it right back. So
right.
If you pay 2 months of interest, they'd want one more. It's certainly understandable on that. And rates change on all different types of properties you do. So if you're doing a land loan, that could be 11%, maybe 12%. Construction, the same thing.
Okay. So is there a penalty fee for paying back the loan too early?
Nope. Well, just the minimum of 3 months interest.
Okay. So if you can pay it back in a month, but you're going to pay 3 months of interest.
Yeah, another 2 months on top of that. Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, that's still, I mean,
that's not
from making it from a client not being able to buy a property to being able to attain that dream home. Yeah. I'd say 3 months of interest is a minor drop in the bucket.
Well, not to some people.
Well, I mean,
and I will tell you, we do some $1 million loans. That's a lot of money, man. But it is what it is. So.
Yeah, well, it is accessibility. It is the ability to achieve that dream, or not.
Or not. Yeah, no. There's a purpose for it.
It's kind of like a silver lining, really.
And just private money, hard money loans are just a bridge loan. They're just there to get you through a short period, and then either sell it or refinance it or some other way to take the loan out. But it's just there to help people in certain situations.
Okay, great. And so what's the best way, Ted, to reach you for these folks in case they need help in getting private money?
Sure. Well, the simple way is Google Rancho Ted, but my cell is 619-647-1999, and the email is ted@ranchoted.com.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. And I'm Elizabeth Eklund. I'm showing houses today if you'd like to see them. I am always working every day. We do real estate. I work on Christmas if you'd like to go on Christmas. So be sure and give me a call. My number is 858-888-0247, and I'd love to take you to see some properties. Thanks so much for stopping in. Oh, last thing, and I can't believe I almost forgot to ask you. How long does it take for you to fund?
That's a great question. We've done it as quickly as 3 days.
Really?
We prefer about 2 weeks, but...
So you're kind of a miracle man.
Well, if everything's right, yes.
Wow. 1 in a million. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.